Levi. This is Levi and Daddy. What are we doing today? Oh, yeah. We're going to build a compost garbage truck. Is that right? Okay. So we have an inspiration here. This is our garbage truck. Or is this a compost truck or garbage truck? Oh, that's a compost truck. Okay. What we really want to do is make a riding compost truck so that Levi can ride in it. And what we're going to do is take his roller coaster here, and we have some blueprints. We're trying to do something kind of like this, where we found this nice big sturdy box, and we're going to build a box around the roller coaster here. And I have a frame, some cardboard stuff that I found that is going to become a frame for it. And we got some hardware here. So we're going to build this and see what we can come up with, right, Levi? Yeah. Oh, yeah, we can use it to pick up cans. That's a good idea. All right. Okay, show me. We're halfway done. Show me how it works. Now you room your garbage truck, and then the hopper tilts back, huh? You can hop out and you can dump the garbage. But what we need to do next is we need to make a door in the back, huh? Yeah, we gotta use all of our scrap parts to make a door. Yep. A big door? Yeah, we'll make a big door. Okay, show me where the trash goes in. Where do you put the trash in the hopper? So we have to put a hole right there at the top so that we can dump the trash in it? Yeah, that's cool. Don't fall. That's a cool garbage truck. All right, we gotta keep working on it. Okay, ready? Here we go. Okay, Levi's on the garbage truck. Are you ready to put the hopper on? Okay, let's put this on the back, like this. I need to bolt it on, okay? Hold on. Wait. Gotta bolt it on first. This. Find the hole. Good, got one bolt on. Down. Okay, ready? Hold on. Levi, show me how it works. You gotta drive it. You gotta. Where you going, Levi? Show me. I see. You gotta put on your beepers when you're backing up. Beep, beep, coming through. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, we made a couple modifications we have to show you guys. So when there's a lot of trash in it, the hopper wants to open up. So we added a little hook right there so that the hopper stays closed. And then you just pull this to take it off. And when he opens it all the way, it was hard to tilt the bucket back, the hopper back without the lid closing. So we added a little S hook there to keep the lid open. And then when the hopper's really full of trash, the whole thing wants to tip over. So what we did is we added a book in the front to weight it down. Right, Levi? Levi, show me what we put on the side. Oh, cool. Can you show me how you put more trash in there? Put some trash in the hopper. It goes up there. And we also have this big cup that can also fit in there, right? And this one, we can go like this. We can hold on to the cup, and we can... Oh, you forgot to latch this, or else it's gonna open up. Better close it and latch it. Good job. Good job. Where's the landfill? That's right, it does. All the garbage spills out and makes a mess.